Okay. Kimmy. Big old ears. So what is up, everyone? So just a little tidbit in this video. So what I have been doing for King is when I feed him, he is a miniature schnauzer and he's 2 months old. I mix my food. Really, you came in the house? You're supposed to be outside. So I feed him with Brazilian rainforest honey, and I give him a little bit of puppy chow because that's what he was on when he was at the kennel. So I'll show you. Brazilian rainforest honey. And I mix it with puppy chow. Purina puppy chow. And then, oh, he's jumping around right now. I went to the store before I got him, picked him up actually. And I went and got the pedigree chicken and rice. Right? I put it in these little containers so I don't, you know, he does not eat like that. Like, he does not eat full cans of food, especially being his size. So, let me do it again. So what I mix together is the Purina puppy chow, rainforest honey, and the chicken and wild rice and gravy. Sounds like a lot, but trust me, he eats it. And he's growing, plus he's active. So, I mean, it works for him. Plus, because, you know, when he was, when I first got him, he had a lot of issues, especially motion sickness and stuff like that. And I think, I'm not sure what he was eating, but yeah, but so I'm about to go ahead and fix his food. Let me show you. So what I do is once I mix it all together, after warming it up in the microwave, just make sure the honey is over everything. Make sure the honey is over everything. Because it makes them eat it even more because it's sweet and it has a chicken taste. Now, I don't like sweet meat, but this is what you do. This is his only bowl. I don't share bowls. Some people like to share bowls with their pets. I don't share bowls. This is his only one bowl, and he has one water bowl. So this is what King gets. As you can see, the honey is all over everything. The honey is all over everything. I normally let I allow this to sit in the microwave for maybe like 10 or 15 seconds. Only 10 to 15 seconds. See, right now it's on 28. As you can see, it's telling me. What are you doing? He's so hyper. So after he's done, I take wet wipes and I wipe his face. And since he went outside and he did his little business, he went poop and pee. I'm gonna take wet wipes and I wipe his hands and I wipe his butt because I don't want him walking all over the house with that type of stuff, you know. So, anyways, you know, I feel like if we wash our hands after we use the bathroom outside, you know, I'm sorry. If we wash our hands after we use the restroom inside, then he should be able to wash his hands when he goes to use the restroom outside. Just right.
Man. Daddy gotta eat. I'm not picking you up right now. You got all clean, now you wanna cut up.